according to journalists, television, what is journalism according to you? What's the role of a journalist? What's his or her job is as a journalist?
I see my role, being an old-fashioned journalist, I see my role as providing information, giving information to the people. In a democracy, information is vital. It's a hugely important thing. People need to know what is going on. Also to speak truth to power. It's become a cliche, but also to hold people to account. Whether it's politicians, big business, whether it's anybody who is doing something wrong, one should be able to call them out on it, highlight what is being done wrong, and hopefully get redressal for people who have suffered because of it. So it's to give that information and also to help encourage others to act on that information to make things better. I think right now we're going through a very bad phase of journalism in India. The old-fashioned values of neutrality, seeing both sides, giving the true picture. I think many channels, I'm talking about television journalism, many television channels are failing in their duty to be fair, to keep the peace, to present the facts. I think the media is becoming polarized. I think it's a very sad time right now for media in India, and I'm just hoping it is a phase. I'm hoping that things will get back, that we'll be able to get the old values of dignity and peace, but also the excitement of the new media. I'm hoping things will improve soon.
Ma'am, do you think really journalists and anchors should take a side? Because the kind of debates what we find today, I mean, hardly we find the real issues rather than finding only Hindus and Muslims.
It's very sad because we often find agenda being pushed, whether it's right. I'm also saying of the left as well. It's like you have to come from a certain side. And like I was saying, both sides journalism is looked down upon. It's dangerous because sometimes by showing both sides, you're also platforming hate. You're also allowing people to share views which are just impossible and which should not get aired. So it's a very difficult balance to draw, but I personally believe that the anchor, the reporter, is the medium. They should be the ones who are presenting the news, who are telling people what's going on, but certainly not trying to manipulate the news or color it in any way. Of course, if something terrible has happened, then they have to speak out about it. They can't be neutral in the cases of something terribly wrong. They have to then take a side because there's no other side to take. You have to be against wrong.
My last question, where do you see the future of journalism? Because from paper, we came to television, from that now we are digital now. Everything is on your phone now.
Right now, everything is digital. The way I see it now, I mean, it's going to be only getting even more easy for people to access the news wherever they are, however they are. It's going to go the total digital way. Fewer people are picking up the morning newspaper. Very few people are sitting down and watching the evening bulletin like they used to. It's all digital. It's all in the phone. They can select when they see the news, what they see on the news also. So I think that will continue for some years to come. And then just as digital took us by surprise. But then I remember when television was a threat to print. It was, the world will keep changing.